API stands for Application Programming Interface. An API is a bridge between two systems that helps them exchange data and functionality. Why is API required? API allows different software applications to link with each other. Without API, applications would not be able to share data or work together. Developers save effort by not building everything from scratch. They use existing API to add features quickly. API help in linking different services, such as payments and login systems, thereby improving the performance and capabilities of applications. Since ready made services are available through API, applications are built much faster. API allows applications to access real time data, such as weather or stock prices. Systems link automatically using API without human involvement. Because of API, applications become faster and easier to use. Let's understand this with some analogies. An API is like a bridge between two systems, which allows data to move between them, just like vehicles move on a bridge between two hills. Similarly, an API is like a waiter who takes your order and brings back the food. Also, an API is like a print command. You send a document to the printer processes it, and then prints the result. This is how API works. Subscribe to our channel for more videos